Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an excitement with you. We are going on an adventure. We have to go to Staples, we have to go to home post office, which we're on strike, and I don't know how that's gonna work. But I recently got a gimbal from my honey. However, it is kind of a pain in the rear to use it. I'm just having a hard time with it and I don't like it. I'm probably not gonna use it, so while I can, I'm gonna go and return it and use the money towards something else, something much better, I think. So, you guys ready? I gotta wipe my nose, put the hat on, and let's go. Okay. We are leaving the Staples because we had to get the box, and not only the box, but we had to print the labels, and they charged tax on the labels. Can you believe it? What a ripoff. You have the labels? So now we have to go to Canada Post office to send those things. But first we have to make the package, so we have to make the box. Use the newspapers, guys, that I've been collecting for when I need it, for starting the fire when we go firing things. Nice, we've got the box. I gotta use some newspapers from the tires.
Fold it in half and put it in.
Fold it in half.
Put it in. Put one on top.
See? You can always find ways to do things.
This in. And that's it. For now.
How about the labels?
Those go on top of it. Give me that.
Okay. Guys, we got the base box made, so now we gotta go look for a post office. We are on the way. Bundle up. It's -11 with the wind chill -20. Goods here. Gotta go send the stuff, return it. But first we have to find the post office. I think there is one. Okay, what's on my nose, guys? Is it?
You got a bruise.
Bruise? Looks like
from blowing your nose.
Look at close. Oh yeah, it is a bruise. Looks like a pimple.
You're a delicate flower.
I am a delicate flower. So.
Dainty.
Okay, we have to focus on finding the post office.
Mission impossible.
Well, I found out where I got my bruise on. She squeezed my nose the other day. Now the truth comes out. Now I know.
Oh, do you?
It's not nice.
It is.
Well, downtown, especially around 17th Avenue, guys, looks like the only post office is going to be Shoppers Drug Mart. Saturday traffic downtown. Look at that. Oh, look. Must be learning how to park or drive. It's never boring around here, so hopefully we're gonna find a parking spot.
There's a parking.
Yeah, but I think there is one on this return. Like this guy is going, maybe not. We did find a parking spot in a loading zone.
Mission impossible.
Right there behind us. Okay, let's go to Shoppers Drug Mart. Post office. Let's send people at the post office. Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. Package sent, and I got in trouble from the boss from being cheap. But I'm not being cheap. They lying to me. They don't have a tape. They do have a tape. All of a sudden, they found the tape. So the package is sent on the way to return to Amazon. Look at that freaking thing on my nose.
Oh, just get over it. Jesus.
No, because I don't look pretty. Looks wintry, but it's actually very warm now.
It's not very warm, it's warmish.
But I felt warm for a second. We got another party tonight, guys. It's not a New Year's Eve party. It's a stupid Flames party. Let's lose. Flames, let's lose. Yeah.
Yeah, the last games sucked. They really...
No, they were good at first, but then they got tired.
They gave up in the third period. Like, they lost all the power. I don't know what the hell happened to them. How can you win the game and then lose in the third period? Phew, the way they did. That's ridiculous.
They did play first two periods very good.
First two periods were good. We were leading, and then all of the sudden, all just went downhill in a dumpster.
So we'll see what they're gonna pull tonight. We'll see what's gonna happen.
They better win.
You think they're gonna win?
Well, I hope so.
Well, better, because I have to drive across the city and then drive in the middle of the night. Because I'm not sleeping on the mattress again. Last time I slept on the mattress, I couldn't move for 3 days, and I'm still catching up on my sleep, guys. Like,
Yeah.
I'm a delicate flower.
Yes, and I felt like I was on a waterbed when every time he moved on the mattress.
Well, you know, that's what happens. But guys, very, very soon, next week, if everything goes the way we want it, I'll be announcing a huge addition to the channel. It's gonna be huge. You will want to stick around for that. It will be a benefit to you guys. So for now, just wait, and if it happens, I'll let you know. Right now we're 5:17. It's actually not too bad going this way. Make it in time for the lunch. Oh no, we had lunch.
We already did.
Yeah, we had lunch already. So right now it's relaxation, watching Foresty Forest, where he's gonna hike this time, right? You never know what the hell he's gonna come up with.
The very last video we watched, I was getting dizzy just sitting on a couch and watching him climb the snowy mountain. 11,000 feet up in the air?
11,500 feet mountain he climbed, so that was pretty good. But the real reason why we've been watching him this morning, because we want to make pork tenderloin for dinner tomorrow. And we've been like watching and waiting for him to make the freaking video, because he likes to cook in his van. And guess what? The last video we watched all of them. All his cooks, he pulls pork tenderloin. However, he didn't make it the way we want to make it, so we'll just make it on our own and see how it turns out. Oh look, there's animals on there. You see the animals? Some kind of gallery. They love it in game though. I don't trust them in those areas here.
I like the name. Poor decisions.
Yeah. I'm not too keen about that. A bunch of murderers. But remember your happy times here? You had your nails done here first time in Canada, on Canadian soil. The country without its own valid nail lounge.
That was nice.
And then Corilla Barbecue. That's a good place too. So. Oh, why don't you just cross? Yeah, I'm not gonna say much around here. Why are you laughing?
And I love your reaction when people are crossing in spots that are not designated for crossing.
Yeah, I shouldn't be putting on a video, that's why I didn't.
That's his pet peeve.
Yeah. So I'm just climbing up the 17th, and we're gonna be home. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the fun little trip with us to send out back the gimbal that I don't know. If you guys like it, post comments below. If you like using one or not. I found it, I don't know. I just...
Maybe it's your phone because it's big.
My phone is also big because yeah, it's the Samsung Ultra 24, so it's big. But anyway, I didn't like using it, so I've decided let's get the money back and put it towards something else, which I know what's gonna be. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We enjoyed you having with us, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.